Hey guys, here with the 2023 Toyota Prius Prime, and I'm doing a free charging basically. I am here and we are at a EV charging station. So I wanted to talk a little bit about how to set up the charging, right? So let me come here real quick and I'll show you guys. It's pretty simple. So what you want to do is you want to go into the app. You want to download the EVConnect app for this particular for these particular charging stations. You're using the EVConnect app. So you click on here, and right now I am currently charging. As you can see, I'm at the state park here. But let me just go back, and actually once it does connect, it does show your time, you know, how long you've been connected. And also what you can do is you can actually sign into the app. You don't have to register, though. If you do, when you register in EVConnect, you can actually pick favorite charging stations, and then that way next time when you go to charge, you could basically just click the station you want. For example, I'm just going to pick the State Park here. It'll actually tell you if the connections are open. In this case, it looks like both are occupied here. So so basically, you know, they're not available. So what you can do, in this case, like I said, I'm at the field 5, and as you can see, there's 2 occupied connectors, and right now there's a second vehicle next to mine that's also charging on the same station. One of the things I will say about this is be careful with the connectors. Some of them look like they could be damaged. I've had some hit or miss results on trying to connect. I will say just try to make sure that the car does lock in. You see the green light, and make sure it does lock in on your charge. So like I said, you can sign in as a guest. You don't need to sign in. But basically what's cool is you could also set up your, if you want, there's, you could do payment methods. You can see past sessions and your history. So you can see, in this case, I basically have gone to the state parks and several other locations, and they're free. I guess I'm assuming that there's other stations that they do charge. I have not done that. But what's cool is, like I said, you can log in, you can come in as a guest. So if I was to log out, I'll show you. You could basically say use as a guest, and what it will do is it'll ask you to scan the barcode on the station. Unfortunately, the one here, the barcode's all worn out, so in that case you would have to enter the station ID, which luckily you can see, and then basically you're ready to go. All right, hope this helped, guys. Hope this helps you. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks.